Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should prioritize BricsCAD over the other alternatives that you may have in the market today. Well, the first and foremost thing is that BricsCAD still offers perpetual licenses, which you know by now, and many of the alternatives do not. Many of them do as well. So the question now is, how do you prioritize or make a choice of BricsCAD over the other options? To my mind, the first thing that comes is that BricsCAD from Bricsys comes with a complete roadmap for vertical integration with other plugins, products, processes and technologies. And this is something that you rarely see in any of the other alternatives. For example, BricsCAD ties very well with the rendering software like Artisan or Enscape and so on. It also ties very well with MEP BIM software like AX3000. It sits very well with point cloud processing software, and almost all the important verticals that you have for AutoCAD are probably available only on BricsCAD, but not any other alternative that you may find in the market. So this is one proof and a testament to the fact that the platform BricsCAD from Bricsys is trusted by a lot of quality plugin developers, and for this reason BricsCAD offers a roadmap that allows you to go beyond just 2D CAD. It's a common misconception in the market that BricsCAD is only for 2D, because the most common narrative everyone projects is that it's an AutoCAD alternative. While that is absolutely true, it's also true that it's much more and beyond than just an AutoCAD alternative. BricsCAD has Pro for 3D modeling, Mechanical for complete mechanical design and sheet metal analysis, assembly modeling. The Pro version also does complete point cloud processing, which means you can bring in your RCP, LAS and any point cloud format that you have and run it on a hardware that is not as demanding as what competition offers. And then you have BricsCAD BIM, which allows you to do complete architectural modeling and hooks to MEP modeling as well. And the most important fact is that BricsCAD BIM stores your data in DWG file format, which means you are not tied to any particular vendor here. BricsCAD is also an open BIM, which allows you to export as IFC files in the latest IFC standard, and this allows you to open these files in other BIM software, BIM viewers like Solibri, BIM Vision, Navisworks and so on, and you have complete freedom and control and portability over your data. These are some of the few reasons which comes to my mind when I pitch to my customers and tell them as to why they should consider BricsCAD over other software. Thank you for watching this video, and do let us know if you have more questions, because I can give you more insights depending on the apprehensions of the questions that you may have.